lot of aspects because there is the pre-moment of truth. You are very close to the end, and you need to find out very clear compensation package or your commissions and how to engage the communications for the people that enroll into this process. Maybe provide some online training, very lightweight, in order to prepare the different meetings, how to have a tailored communication for some of the key elements that you find in the previous process in the assessment phase, and definitely a way to support all the questions and all the concerns that these new potential team members can have. Different methodologies are very good at. The CRM as a technology provides different methods that you need to approach like a funnel, and you need to engage the communication. It's the same that you're selling the company actually. So definitely it's the same process because you are selling the opportunity in your company to those individuals. So definitely that's a key process. And definitely the multi-channel capability. Maybe some companies use pixels, the same that you do when you're selling your products for the prospect. So definitely those new potential team members can understand more and more about the company and see more and more every single time they navigate in the different websites, find out in a search engine, use the social media, and so on. Some tools are important. Is communication is key into this process. So have a very omni-channel communication platform that help you a lot, like a email, SMS, WhatsApp, and any social media, so you can push your communications from the different platforms. An AI tool that works pretty well also in this process is XR, that we mentioned in some other of the phases. And gamification is key, and definitely how to work in this phase with showcases or stories from the field, so you can engage with the people that is doing the job and you want to be part of it. And maybe context is a very nice one, and maybe you want to create an example of a small contest. Hey, all the prospects can create a small video and push into their social platforms this video, just telling the people that you want to get and be part of it. So I think it's interesting just to find out a very funny way to do it. In terms of platform, we have some experience just to share. Is in SFDS, we have a very strong omnichannel platform in communications. In sales, is always part of the minimum viable product. What happened using it is definitely when someone enrolled, just pretend that you have a form and you fulfill the form and you just enroll yourself into this process, and you will start receiving communications. Hey, congratulations, you're part of this process. Can you go to this, or can you send us a video of yourself doing this, or can you provide us your expertise, or please fulfill this other extra form with this, provide us these documentations, and so on. So the continuous communications create a very nice environment, and the moment you realize that you can use several different methods, it's more funny. Because hey, I received this email, then I have this push communication using SMS or WhatsApp. I receive also communications to my preferred social channel, and so on. So I think it's a very good example that we find out for a while and has been very interesting. Hope you enjoy it.